welcome to Homeschool. This is your class 7 Mathematics NCERT or CBSE board. We are in our chapter 4 Simple Equations. Exercise 4.3. First main, solve the following equations. See the first sub question. A. 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. See your children, before exercises, how we have done? Other than variable set, what do you have? Plus 5 by 2. Means you have subtracted 5 by 2 on both sides. Right? Now, I'm going to choose still easy method. Now, in this exercise, we are going to solve all these equations easily. How? Identify other than variable what you have? 5 by 2. What is the sign you have? Plus. When you are transposing this plus 5 by 2 other side, then it is subtracted. Do you remember, if plus is transposed minus, minus plus into divide into. Observe carefully, this 5 by 2 transpose other side, minus 5 by 2 it becomes. 2y is equal to 37 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Fraction subtractions, do you remember? Now apply here. Denominator is same. When denominator is same, take same denominator. LCM is 2. 37 minus 5. 37 minus 5 will be 32 by 2. 2y equal to. Cancel 2 ones and here 2 16s. 2y is equal to 16. Still a number is multiplied. Send this number other side. It will be divided. Y is equal to 16 by 2. 2 8s are 16. Therefore, final answer y is equal to 8 is your answer. Observe carefully. Do 2 times every problem. Then you don't have any problem with these type of equations. Next one. Option B, 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. Where is the variable and what is the variable? T is a variable. 5t set, other than 5t, you have plus 28. Transpose plus 28 other side. Means minus 28. 5t is equal to 10. Plus 28 if it comes other side means this equal to other side if it comes minus 28. 5t is equal to 10 minus 28 minus 18. Subtraction you are perfect now. 10 minus 28 it will be minus 18. Again 5 is a multiple. Send other side, it will be divided. Can it cancel in 5 table? Do you get 18? No, we won't get. Therefore, t is equal to minus 18 by 5 is your answer. Option C, a by 5 plus 3 is equal to 2. Identify the variable a. Means this set contains variable now. Other than this, what do you have? Plus 3. Transpose other side, it will be subtracted. A by 5 is equal to 2 minus 3. Actually, you start learning solving the equations. First step is your first and second exercises. Now, I hope you are a little perfect. So, directly you can send other side. Transpose the values other side and solve the equations. 2 minus 3. A by 5 is equal to 2 minus 3 will be minus 1. Now, other than a 5 is divided. This 5 send other side, it will be multiplied. A is equal to minus 1 into 5. A is equal to minus into plus, minus 1 into 5, 5. Therefore, A is equal to minus 5 is your answer. D option. Cube by 4 plus 7 is equal to 5. Variable is here. So, send this number other side. Plus 7. If it goes other side, minus 7. Cube by 4 is equal to 5 minus 7. Q by 4 is equal to 5 minus 7 minus 2. Now 4 is divided, transpose other side, divided 4, if it goes other side, multiplication. Q is equal to minus 2 into 4, that is Q is equal to 4 2s are 8, minus into plus minus. Therefore, your Q value is minus 8. E sub question here, 5 by 2 x is equal to minus 5. So, variable set is here and another number is other side. Now, 5 by 2 is a multiple for x. So, divide this one this side. 5 by 2. 5 by 2. How can you bring this one up? Yes, don't be panic. You can rewrite this as minus 5 into 2 by 5. 5 cancel. Minus into plus, minus 1 into 2, it will be 2. X is equal to minus 2 is your answer. See here, when any number is divided by a fraction, then that fraction can be multiplied with the number. Do you remember where we have done in second chapter, fractions and decimals? Next problem, 5 by 2x is equal to 25 by 4. 5 by 2x is equal to 25 by 4. 5 by 2, x is a variable. 5 by 2 is multiple. So send other side, it will be divided. 25 by 4 divided by 5 by 2. When fraction is divided, what you need to do? Multiply the reciprocal of the fraction. X is equal to 25 by 4 as it is. Do the reciprocal of this. 5 by 2 means 2 by 5. And now cancel. 5 ones are 5. 5 fives are 25. 2 ones and 2 twos. Numerators multiply and denominators multiply. 5 into 1, 5. 2 into 1, 2. Therefore, x is equal to 5 by 2 is your answer. Next sub question. 7m plus 19 by 2 is equal to 13. Variable is here. Plus 19 by 2. Send other side. Minus 19 by 2. 7m is equal to 13 minus 19 by 2. Do the LCM here. 2 and 1 LCM is 2. One table where you get 2, 1 2s are. That 2 multiply for the numerator and for this 1. 13 2s are 26 minus 19. 7m is equal to this one. 26 minus 19 will be 7 by 2. Now observe here, 7 is a multiple for the variable. Multiple, if it is transposed other side, it will be divided. M is equal to 7 by 2 divided by 7. This you can rewrite it as 7 by 2 into 1 by 7. Nothing there means denominator 1 now. Do the reciprocal 1 by 7. 7 cancel. Therefore, M is equal to 1 by 2 is your answer. Next sub question. 6z plus 10 is equal to minus 2. Plus 10, transpose other side, minus 10. 6z is equal to minus 2 minus 10. 6z is equal to minus 12. What is minus 2 minus 10? Same sign. Add and then take the sign. 6 is a multiple. Send other side. Minus 12 by 6. Cancel. That will be minus 2. 6 2s are 12 now. Therefore, z is equal to minus 2 is your answer. Next sub question. 3l by 2 is equal to 2 by 3. 3l by 2, I can split this as 3 by 2 into l also. I can split. Or first you can transpose denominator, then numerator you can do. Right? 3l is equal to 2 by 3 into, divided no, now it is into. L is equal to this 3 send other side, here it is multiplied, then it is divided other side. So L is equal to 4 by 3 into 3. For denominator, that 3 is multiplied. How did we get here, children? Observe here, 4 by 3 by 3. That you can rewrite it as 4 by 3 into 1 by 3. Okay, or directly you can multiply. L is equal to 4 by 3 3s are 9. 4 by 9 is your answer. Last sub question here. 2b by 3. It's not 6b. 2b by 3 minus 5 is equal to 3. Here this set contains the variable. Other than variable set, what do you have? Minus 5. Transpose other side. Plus 5, it will be 2b by 3 is equal to 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. 2b by 3 is equal to 5 plus 3 will be 8. Now, if you want at a time 2 by 3, you can transpose other side, or 1 you can also split. That is 2b is equal to 8 into 3. 8 3s are 24. Now this multiple divide, b is equal to 24 by 2. 2 12s are. Therefore, b is equal to 12 is your answer. Right? Slowly you do, children, and carefully you do this main. Second main, solve the following equations. Same manner, but observe the equation given and according to that you try to solve. First sub question A. 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 12. Observe here bracket. Other than the bracket, what do you have? 2. Where it is 2? 2 is multiplied. First remove this 2 by transposing other side. Multiple, if it goes other side, it is divided. X plus 4 is equal to 12 by 2. 2 1s are, 2 6 are, cancel. X plus 4 is equal to 6. X plus 4 is equal to 6. Other than variable extra, what do you have? Plus 4. Plus 4 transpose. What happens? Minus 4. X is equal to 6 minus 4. X is equal to 2 is your answer. B sub question. 3 into n minus 5 is equal to 21. Variable is n. 3 is multiplied. Okay. Now this multiple, send other side, it will be divided. N minus 5 is equal to 21 by 3. 3 table, do you get 21? Yes. 3 7s are 21. N minus 5 is equal to 7. Minus 5, send other side, plus 5. N is equal to 7 plus 5. Add 7 and 5, it will be 12. Therefore, n is equal to 12 is your answer. C sub question, 3 into n minus 5 is equal to minus 21. Other than bracket, 3 is there, 3 is multiplied. This 3 transpose other side, it will be divided. N minus 5 is equal to minus 21 by 3. Cancel. 3 7s are 21. N minus 5 is equal to minus 7. N is equal to, now this minus 5 transpose other side, minus 7 plus 5. N is equal to minus 2. Therefore, n value is minus 2. Option D. Minus 4 into 2 plus x is equal to 8. Observe here, other than variable set, what do you have? Minus 4. Minus 4 is multiplied. Transpose means divide on other side. 2 plus x is equal to 8 by minus 4. As it is, I have taken negative sign. Or one thing you do, just if you want, you can take negative sign, children. Otherwise, you can keep the negative sign as it is. Only number you transpose. Okay. Now multiply this negative. Minus into plus, minus 2. Minus into plus, minus x is equal to 4 2s are 8. 2 will be there. Now, x variable should be always be positive. Minus x there. So, transpose x other side and 2 this side. Minus 2 plus 2. If it comes other side, minus 2. Minus x if it goes other side, plus x. At a time you can reverse. Or next step you do, minus 2 will be minus 4 is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to minus 4 is your answer. At a time, if you shift both the numbers on other sides, no sign will be changed. E sub question, 4 into 2 minus x is equal to 8. 4 is a multiple. Send other side, divide. 2 minus x is equal to 8 by 4. 4 2s are 8. 2 minus x is equal to 2. Variable is having a negative sign. So send other side 2 and this 2 bring this side minus 2 is equal to x. 2 minus 2 will be 0. Therefore, x value is 0. Second main is completed. Watch the video once again and see all the problems. Then open your buff notes and do these all problems without seeing. Okay? We are going to meet in our next session with your next two mains. Until that, keep watching. Thank you all.